Hello everybody, here's a quick video showing you how to make a triangle in CSS. A lot of beginners don't know about this, so I'm just going to show you. So first we just need to have something to contain our CSS or something that we can use to capture our CSS. So we're just going to make a div here, and we're just going to have a class called triangle here. Alright, and let's go ahead and we're just going to make a basic red square right now. So we're just going to go height, we're going to say 250 pixels, width 250 pixels, and background color, we'll say red. And now we have a red square, and that's pretty easy to do. You should know all about making red squares in CSS. Now we can make triangles, or we can make any other polygon by using this tool, using this property called clip transform. What is it? Got to look here. That's path. Clip path. Okay, and we're just going to pass in polygon. Okay, and what happens is this takes a number of points, and what happens is right here at the top left, this point is 0% and 0%. And this point here at the bottom right is 100% and 100%. Or it would be 250 pixels, 250 pixels. You can do it by pixels or percent. So to the right here, this would be 0% and 100. This would be 0, 100, 100, 100, and this would be, I'm sorry, this would be 100, 0. This would be 0, 100. So we can make a triangle starting with a point up here. So we say we want 50-50. We can make our first point there. So we say 50%, 50%. And then let's make a point right here at the bottom. So that would be 100, 0. 100, 0. Okay, and then 0, 100. Let's see here. Where did I mess up? 50-50, 100. Oh, this should be 100, 100. There we go. So now we have a triangle. So this is point 50-50. This is point 100, 100. This is 0, 100. So if we want to make a right triangle, we can do 50-50, 100, 100. This would be 50, 100. Make a right triangle like that. And we can add more points too. We can add another point. Let's try 10. I don't know how this is going to work, but let's just try this and see how this works. Okay. So this makes a new, different shape. You can just keep adding different points in these different sections if you want. But this is how you draw a triangle in CSS. So we can draw another one. You can say 0, 0, 0, 0, 100, and we can say 50%, 100%. That'd be another triangle. Or there's another triangle. So you can just play around with these. And there is this tool you can look at. It's called CSS Clip Path Maker. Oh, Clippy. Here it is right here. And this is a tool that can make these shapes for you very quickly. So here's just a regular triangle. You could reshape it if you want. You could do different shapes, all kinds of different stuff. And here they have a background image for the div, but we just did the color. So that's how you do a triangle in CSS. So I hope you enjoyed this video.